So I've pulled the motherboard out a little bit, and I just wanted you to see right there is the power cable on the motherboard that has a tab on it. These yellow and white ones, those will just pull straight up, and it's the same with this other white one right there. I pulled the tab here, which releases this big thick cable. That helps get the motherboard out a little bit, which gives you better reach to the eSATA cable. So basically, get all these cables disconnected and slide the motherboard out.